Good morning, YouTube fans. It's embarkment day. We're getting ready to go on our cruise on the Carnival Panorama. We're about to get faster to the fun on our way into the terminal. All right, we're on our way.
He text you?
He hasn't texted me yet. Okay, this is gonna be the money shot right here. As we walk out, there she is. On the way in, had a couple water bottles I didn't know about.
Yeah.
They thought it was vodka, just kidding. We are back home. We're waiting to get out to sea. Where are we, Jodi? Good morning. We're home for a week.
Some of the beef and a little sausage, and I want all of them. They're coming in.
Coming in hot. Coming in hot.
A bunch of beef.